Time to nut up or shut up.
Well, you know what? I think you need a new line.
Yeah, I think you need a new lighter.
Yeah, no.
Did you just get your nose broken?
No?
Wow, it looks so good.
I loved you, Dolly Sally! Now he's dead! He's dead and he's never coming back! That was my dad! My dad's dead!
But in 2 minutes, she's gonna become a zombie. If you love someone, you shoot them in the face. So, I mean, if you love someone, you shoot them in the face. If you love someone, you shoot them in the face. Sorry. I can't do it.